Welcome to video number 231 of Learn and Speak Tamil Like a Native. And in this video, you're going to learn scripts again, but this time how to make script learning easier, because some of you are skipping the script part. I know that, but you don't understand that it makes your learning really hard. And believe me, there are just some 20 to 25 letters that they are repeatedly used. At the maximum, there are 30 letters in approximately in Tamil. So it's very easy for you to learn those 30 letters, and then that makes your learning much more easier. So that's what we are going to see in this channel. Just see this. I'm taking leave. Na kelamburenga. G is just to add that formality. Na kelamburenga. Imagine he's saying that. Na kelamburenga. So how do you break it? Na kelamburenga. So it becomes na kelamburenga. Na kelamburenga. So when you say that fast, na kelamburenga. This is how you have to learn, and hereafter, at least for 2 phrases, I'll try to break this into smaller words and the words further into smaller letters. So that becomes easier for you when you learn, because learning script is very easy and very effective. Nanga varonga. That is another way of saying we are living in a very nice way. Varonga. And why varon is, you might have learned from one of the previous videos. Varon is actually I'm coming, but it means I'm taking leave. Nanga varonga. So when you read it together, Nanga varonga. Nanga varonga. This goes silent. Nanga varonga. Nanga varonga means we are leaving. And then the person says, okay. So when you're saying I'm leaving, and the other person says, fine, thank you. So it is vanga. Vanga. Vanga is not please come. Instead it is your approval, a kind approval. Vanga. 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 This is how I'm going to teach you to make sure that you follow script. Not for all the things, not for all the phrases, but at least for 2 phrases in each of the videos. Nalladu. You can also say when somebody wants to take leave, and then you say vanga or nalladu, which is like, oh well, we're pleased to meet you. So nalladu. 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 I'm taking leave. Nalladu. Really glad. Sure. That is Rumba Sandosham. Vanga. Just imagine the people are saying that this guy got admission into a fine school on merit, and the parents are saying they came to convey the news, and on leaving they say fine, thank you. So it's Rumba Sandosham means very glad. Vanga. Bye. Rumba Sandosham. Vanga. Rumba Sandosham. Vanga. Rumba Sandosham. Vanga. That means nice, pleased, and take care. Bye. You can also say Nalladu. Nerathodu porapadunga. Fine. Better start early. Nalladu. Nerathodu porapadunga. Nalladu. Nerathodu porapadunga. Nalladu. Nerathodu porapadunga. Fine. Better start early. Nalladu. Nerathodu porapadunga. So this is a very simple, I'm making